Hi guys, welcome to Earth Week. I know Earth Day is on Wednesday, but this year it is so big because it is the 50th anniversary of Earth Day. So I figured we'd celebrate Earth Day all week long. Now, one of the best ways we can take care of our Earth is about figuring out where our trash goes and how to make less of it. So let's talk about that a little bit today.
When we throw something away, where does it go? Well, the first stop is usually a trash can in our house. And the next stop is the trash can outside the house. This might be your job. Then the garbage truck will come and take our trash from the curb. That's my favorite part. I love watching the garbage truck come. And then it's going to go to a big hole in the ground outside of town that we call a landfill. Each student produces about 4.5 pounds of garbage every day, which doesn't sound like too much. It's about as heavy as a small chihuahua. However, if you thought about that in terms of a class, each class of 30 children is going to produce 150 pounds a day, which is about the weight of a Mrs. Reinfelder. And the whole school would produce about 2,500 pounds a day, which is a lot of trash. Each year, Americans produce enough trash to fill an entire football field 100 miles deep. And that trash, some of it's going to stay a very long time. Items that are natural, like bananas or paper or wool socks even, they break down pretty quickly. But each diaper is going to take about 550 years to break down, and styrofoam and glass, we don't know if they ever really break down. That's why it's important for us to reduce, reuse, and recycle. And that's what we're going to talk about today. We can reduce how much trash we produce by using reusable water bottles and coffee cups, reusable bags, ice cream cones instead of cups, and putting a "No Junk Mail Please" flyer on our mailbox. We can reuse some of our trash, use our bags again, use newspapers to make a basket, repurpose silverware or light bulbs into new projects. And we can help our family properly recycle materials by making a great poster to hang next to the trash and recycle can. Because let's face it, folks, some of these things are tricky to remember what can and can't be recycled. We can recycle lots of paper products like newspapers, phone books, magazines, junk mail, juice boxes, and cardboard. We can even recycle envelopes that have the little plastic windows. Some paper products cannot be recycled, like photos and books, blueprints, and heat-treated receipts. Lots of plastics can be recycled, buckets and tubs and jugs and the six-pack holder. The whole bucket, that kind of surprised me. Grocery bags, Ziplocs, and styrofoam cannot be recycled. Get out those Tupperwares and glass containers, because this group can easily be replaced. Glass bottles and jars, they're recyclable. But most other types of glass, like windows, tables, light bulbs, they're not recyclable. Aluminum cans, tin cans, aerosol cans, that shocked me, and even small appliances are all recyclable in your recycle bin. Just cut the cords off those appliances, please. But cans and bottles that contain poisons like gasoline or cleaning products, paint, pesticides, and herbicides, those are not recyclable. And some items that can't be recycled in your recycle can still have recycled drop-off sites like electronics, batteries, plastic grocery sacks, old phones, washers, dryers, and appliances. Just check your city's waste disposal guide for drop-off dates and locations.
Well, I hope you learned a few new things today. I know that every time I look at what can be recycled and what can't be, I learn something new. Like, I did not know that the aerosol cans or small appliances like hair dryers and curling irons could be recycled in my recycle can. So that was new for me. You can help your family out by making a poster to put next to your recycle can so people can remember the tough ones like styrofoam, no. Spray cans, yes, because some of those can be tricky. If you want to make a poster, I have put the pictures that I used in this presentation up to the Benchmark website under Science Lab, under 2020 video blog. You'll find them there and you can cut them up and put them on a poster to hang above your can. Welcome to Earth Week. See you soon.